Hey everyone, giving my 1-star review for the SCUF Envision Pro joysticks that you order on Amazon. So I want to show you that I do already have a SCUF Envision Pro controller. This joystick is the one that came with the controller. Just want to show you that it's an oval shape there, and it's an oval shape here. All you got to do is line it up, and, oops, sorry, camera shy, and bam, ready to go. No problems, right? This is the one that came with the controller. This is the one that I purchased here on Amazon. Same install, oval there, oval here. You go ahead and line it up. Go ahead and try that one more time. Do not fit. You can see that it sits higher than the stock one does. All of the joysticks have this issue. All of the ones that come in this set right here, they're all junk and do not fit the SCUF Envision Pro or my ROG Ally, which is what I tried to install these on as well. So these are junk.